Welcome back to Coast Live. It's time once again for a weekly market update with advice and insights from our friends at Iron Valley Real Estate. Today we're looking at not only buying a home, but at what point insurance comes into play. Back with us is Andy Nelson from Iron Valley, and with us for the first time is Kelly Gow of Goosehead Insurance. Guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Andy, I want to start with you, man. The process of buying a home, it's very complicated. I've learned a lot about it over the past few weeks talking to you guys. You make an offer, the offer gets accepted. What happens after that?
So a number of things happen, but before I go into that, thank you for having us back again.
Yeah.
I didn't get to see you last time, so I'm thankful that I did this time.
Thanks. Yeah, actually, it was supposed to be my interview last time, but I was out sick.
It happens.
Thanks. And I'm still alive.
Right. But you touched on a great point. So education, right? You're learning so much more about the process, and that's why we're here. That's why it's important to have a real estate agent represent you throughout the transaction. The relationships that those real estate agents build then come into play with someone like Kelly. So we've made an offer. The offer's been accepted. We're moving forward in the process. An educated realtor is going to take you, or real estate agent will take you through those steps, which would be homeowners insurance at that point, which is when we would bring in someone like Kelly.
And Kelly, can you explain what you guys do at the Torcia agency?
Yes. So my name is Kelly. I'm the COO with the Torcia agency. Owner is Kevin Torcia. And we do insurance, all insurance, auto, home, umbrella, liability, everything. But our main focus is homeowners insurance for your new home purchase. And we work directly with the real estate agent, Iron Valley, any real estate agent and loan officer. Make sure that you can close on time is our number one goal. And as Andy said, part of that next process in getting to underwriting is home insurance.
Yes.
Our company, we shop over 50 different carriers. So I know you probably have auto insurance with somebody.
Sure.
And a lot of times people will stick to who they currently have for their auto. However, we can also probably do the same carrier and bundle and take care of everything. And then same with when I said working with realtors, flood zones. So you really want to make sure you're not in a flood zone or purchasing a home that's in a flood zone, or that you have the proper protection.
Right.
So we do that. And then the main thing is having the right coverage. So a lot of times we're local, so we know the types of claims that happen around here. We know what's important. A lot of people don't think about certain coverages. They think it would be covered under your policy, and it's not. And we see too many incidents where people aren't properly covered.
Yeah.
So at our agency, we want to go above and beyond and really make sure people are well taken care of even after their purchase.
And I think what you both are hitting on is that it's very difficult to do on this process on your own because it's extremely complicated and there's a lot of stuff that can be overlooked. Andy, when you're talking about insurances, some of the special insurances here in this area are what are things that you've seen in your experience?
So you mentioned the things that you can't see, the underlying issues, and that is primarily the reason why I recommend all of my clients go through someone like Goosehead.
Thank you.
We're seeing an issue throughout the city of Norfolk, Portsmouth, Hampton. In these homes that were built in the 1940s and 50s, there's cast iron drains that connect out to the city. They're reaching the end of their expected life and they're starting to fail. That is something that most homeowners insurance would not cover, but working with someone like Goosehead, being local, they know that that's an issue. They can look at the age of the home and say, I think you need this additional coverage.
Right.
Right.
And you guys at Iron Valley are really good about working with your clients on a case-by-case basis. Absolutely. And connecting them with people like Kelly, individuals who are going to help them sort out the whole process. And before we run out of time, you guys are entirely veteran-owned at Iron Valley, and we wanted to do a Memorial Day shout-out, right? Go ahead.
Absolutely.
The stage is yours.
Absolutely. So as a 100% veteran-owned company, all local to Hampton Roads, I just want to reference President JFK. And he said, as we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter the words, but to live by them. Happy Memorial Day.
Happy Memorial Day.
That's beautiful, man. Thank you for sharing that. And yeah, what a cool message. In Hampton Roads, obviously, the military is the baseline of what has built our community. Where can we find both of you guys? Andy, there's your information there. What's the best way for people to find you?
I'm at Iron Valley 757. That's Facebook, Instagram, my website, Iron Valley 757. Remember that, and you can find me.
Yes, it's very easy to find you. And Kelly, what about you?
Find me. I don't know if I want to.
Well, not find
call
you,
me.
literally.
Call me 757. My direct number 994-828-8888. Can't talk. And Torcia Agency on Instagram.
There you go. Guys, thank you so much. Great information. And yeah, the underlying theme here, you want to work with the experts who are going to help you sort out all the details. Thank you both so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, we'll be right back with more Coast Live in a couple minutes. I'll see you then.